Good morning, everyone. I know hairs are really not my favor. Like, look at this. Oh my god. I just woke up and I'm still struggling. Now I have to bath. And then I have to start my day. And today is the first day of my Sawan. Yeah, it's my Sawan because I am doing some fast. Yeah, like, I'm doing fast. So tell me guys, are you also doing the fast or not? I just had a bath and trust me, I'm feeling so refreshing. And if you are new to my channel, if you haven't subscribed yet, then what you are doing? What you are doing? When you wake up early in the morning, चेहरे पे अलग तेज होता है. Look at my तेज. My skin is glowing like anything. And look at my freckles. They are also glowing. So I'm ready and this is my outfit. I'm wearing a kurti right now, so let's go. Anji, so I'm done with my puja. So let's just change it up. Change कर लेते हैं because अभी यूनिवर्सिटी भी जाना है. तो let's get ready again. Welcome to Get Ready with Lisha. So let's get ready. I'm feeling so refreshing today. I don't know. And today is a bit rainy day and I love rain. I don't know, I just love rain. Then let's give a head massage to the scalp for 2 minutes. It actually boosts the hair growth. Today I'm thinking to style my hair in a very simple way with this tiny clutcher. Let's try. Look at my baby hairs. They are actually baby. Actually. Last but not the least, you have to smell good. I love perfumes. I am dressed up. I am all ready. So tell me, how do I look? अच्छे कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स दे दो जितने भी लोग देख रहे हो. ठीक है, प्लीज़. सर नहीं आया है तो थोड़ा घूमी घूमी करेंगे। घूमी घूमी हो गई है। If you haven't subscribed my channel, then do Sakkar Para. Okay? Even she is also saying that. Hey, Nancy, do you have anything to say?
No. No.
Mindless. Very good, Nancy, very good. चालू कम हो रहा है। चालू ना थे, सॉरी। यही ऑन है। वेलकम। सीपीयू ऑन। GSFC।
1 hour later.
मुझे किसकी लैब है? तो मेरा भाई बहन मुझे कौन लेता है? ये क्या जैसे डालता है?
मच्छर काटे। मॉस्किटो बाइट। अरे मेरे का नंबर हो गया एनरोलमेंट नंबर तो पेनिट्रेट स्टार्टिंग એને પૂછો guys, it's a rainy day. Wow. It's a rainy day, guys. It's a rainy day. I love rain. Can you listen something? Oh my god. The birds are chirping and it's amazing. It's raining, guys. It's raining. My heart is dancing. I feel so good. But I have to wear my raincoat, otherwise my mom will kill me.
बात तो सही थी लड़की की. She was saying तुम्हें क्यों ही सीरियस लेना है लाइफ में, तुम्हें क्यों ही सीरियस रहना है लाइफ में अगर तुम अनसीरियस रह सकते हो. बात तो सही है. I'm home, guys.
I'm home. The rain was amazing. Like wow. Like I'm a rain person, so I love rain. I just love rain. I was literally enjoying the rain. I'm sorry, I was not able to capture the moment, but I was literally wearing the raincoat, like upper and bottom both. So come on, my phone was in my bag. Like I was not able to justify any kind of thing. Like I was just driving like this. And on the other side, I was enjoying, like, trust me, yeah, it's amazing. Can you imagine, today is the first day of Sawan and it's raining like anything.
Wow!
Okay guys, so this was all about my video. I hope you enjoyed watching my video, because I feel like today's vlog was good. Like, yeah, I literally feel like while shooting, while I was editing right now, I was like editing, and I genuinely was feeling like, oh, today's video was good. I was literally enjoying the editing. I don't know guys, did you enjoy it or not? Like, if you have any kind of suggestion or feedback, then do let me know in comment section, please. And today's day was the amazing, like wow. And today I was feeling full of paper. Yes, I don't know, like, was that a miracle or was that just an energy? Okay guys, then see you in next video. Till then, hasta la vista.